back to my channel Titanium Beauty. My name is Sulika Thakur and today's video is very special for me, guys. As you can see the happiness on my face because today's video is very different from the content that I usually upload. This is all about my new iPhone 11, guys. So in this video I am going to unbox this phone. This is the first look of the phone that I'll see. So I'm really excited for this. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you one thing here, that I have purchased this phone in the 128GB variant and it costed me around 69,900. Other variants like 64GB, 256GB and 512 are also available. 64GB is for 64,900 rupees and the 256GB is for 79,900 rupees, and I have purchased in the 128GB variant. So guys, let's start the unboxing. First of all, let us take out the outer wrapping of this phone. So this is how the outer box looked like, and the packaging of iPhone is really classy and looks like really, what should I say, pretty. And I have the iPhone 11 in the shade green. So let's unbox this. Really excited to do this. So this is how the phone looks like. It's so pretty. I just love this shade. I wanted this shade particularly because although Apple has named it green, but this is a teal sort of color and it's more on the blue side, and I just love this shade. I can't even explain how much I'm in love with this color. So this is how the phone look like. It's really premium, and so like the back is really very glossy. It looks so pretty, and the design is also really very nice. So guys, let's just keep the phone aside and let's see what all goodies we have got in this box given by Apple. So first of all, we get some paperwork right here, something written, designed by Apple in California. And in this you get some paper, says hello and all, and as usual 2 Apple stickers and few other things. Now in the box we get a charger and earphones and the USB cable. So guys, as usual Apple has not upgraded their charger. So in iPhone 11 version you get the as usual slow charger in this box, but in the Pro version you get the 18-watt charger, that is the fast charger. So if you want to get the fast charger, then you have to buy it separately. Apple does not provide you fast charger in this box. So now let's come back to the phone, and guys I'm like speechless. The color, the design and everything, I like the design of the camera more than the Pro version because I don't like the Pro version camera design that much, and I went for the 11 one because of this color particularly, because this is my favorite color. Okay guys, now let us remove this outer screen guard which the Apple provides. So guys, this is an amazing feeling of removing this. This gives you a very mind-blowing awesome feeling. So let's just do this. And as you can see, the phone is just like really glossy, absolute black. It is looking really amazing, guys. Okay guys, now let us talk about the phone. The front is really very stylish and glossy, black finish, absolute black as you can see. The bordering is of aluminium and it is color coordinated according to the color of your phone. This is an aluminium bordering. And at the back there's a little bit difference in the 10R and 11 version. In the 10R version you get single camera lens, and here in 11 you get dual camera. The upper one is the wide angle and the bottom one is the ultra wide lens. And yes, the Apple logo has also shifted a little bit towards the center of the phone. And one more difference is that the iPhone that was written here earlier in all the other phones has disappeared. So these are the few changes that Apple has come with. And yes, now let us switch on the phone and see other things inside the phone. And I'll be right back after setting up the phone. So guys, as you can already see, I've set up my phone and I'm really very excited to use this and explore this phone, the camera and everything. Now I'll share your experience, and I'll also make a video on the camera features of this brand new iPhone 11. I just can't tell you how much I love this. Again and again in the video I'm saying that I am in love with this color, but you can see how pretty is this looking. It's a very trendy and cool color, guys. So here I end this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you enjoyed it, please do not forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel Titanium Beauty, and thank you for watching, guys. And at last, as I always say, love animals as they're innocent souls, and if you can't love them, then please don't harm them. Bye bye.